This short movie shows our final project about photoresistor. And the objective of this experiment were to learn the assembling of photoresistor and determine the static and dynamic performance of the photoresistor. The experimental setup was illustrated shown in this figure, so the corresponding voltage output of the photoresistor would be recorded. And this is our procedure to determine the static sensitivity. And this shows how we determine the time constant.
From the experimental procedure, the following is a list of errors during the experiment. First is the curving line error, which is calculated based on the average square difference between the experimental data and the best fit line. Sensitivity error was due to the difference between the three trials. Hysteresis error was due to the difference between increasing voltage data and the decreasing voltage data. Quantization error and the light meter error was due to the resolution of DAQ systems and light emitter. This figure shows the data during the static calibration process. As we can observe, there's a nonlinear relationship between the voltage output and light intensity. Therefore, our team used a third-order polyphase function to draw a best fit line. The slope of the best fit line will be considered as the static sensitivity. Our team picked the average slope at 5.5 foot candle as our estimated static sensitivity. This figure shows the voltage output data during the dynamic calibration process. Using the formula above, we can convert the voltage data to a z-plot, and through calculating the slope of the decline straight line, we can estimate the time constant of the photoresistor.
Based on our analysis, at the 5.5 foot candle, the result was shown in this figure. Here is our datasheet for this experiment.
Based on the analysis and results, we can conclude that the relationship between light intensity and voltage output is nonlinear. Due to the relationship, we have to choose a point to estimate the sensitivity and the uncertainty. For the dynamic response, the response time is really short, just 0.01 second.